go, guys.
Big addition.
Well, guys, I gotta sweep again a lot of leaves and debris from scraping this other stuff off. That's what I got, guys. It's like $34, 35 bucks. Roofer's Choice. It says plastic, 15 plastic. It's not really plastic, it's tar. It's thick tar. For, you know, doing cracks and stuff like that. You're not going to spread this like out here, but it's good for the cracks and crevices. And yeah, so we got that. Okay, I got these two, guys, because they were 15 bucks. There's actually 15 pairs in here. 15 pair, large. I should have picked the extra large. These will be a little bit tight. Multitask foam, nitrile grip gloves, wet grip, dry grip. I'm not sure if these are glass proof. I'm sure it would say glass proof. I'm not sure. That's what I really want to grab. I don't know what that logo is on there, but it's just a mountain. So anyway, we got these. I go to Dollar Tree, I can get 15 pairs for $15, so I got them there. Seems unbelievable at Home Depot to get that. And we got the Hot Shot Fogger, guys, with a bonus of 33% more, because there's a fourth can for free. You get the fourth can for free to bomb these shed units, storage units, and get all the spiders and everything out of there. So I hate to even use this stuff, you know what I mean, but I got it, guys, you know. It's time to make money, you know what I mean. You want to come in? Okay, you lay down for a while. I got work to do. I got work to do, okay? Yeah, you cool off a while, okay? Get rid of them buggies, alright? Yeah. You cool off. Okay, butthead? Huh? Yeah. Meow. Meow. Okay, you take a nap. You take a nap, butthead. There you go. Second round, okay? Yeah. Yeah, so I grabbed the I was gonna say concrete, the tar, and it was over here. The cat was laying by it, and she went down there on the roof. Don't fall off, butthead. Why don't you come up here, butthead? Come on. That is thick stuff, guys. Look at that. Uh-oh. Hope that's gonna be good enough. We'll see. Yeah, that's not too bad, guys. Let's see how it goes. I don't know about this, guys. We'll see how it goes, though. Let's just seal everything in one shot right there. Okay? Just like that. Make sure it's all sealed. Throw more in there a little while. That's pretty cool. Guys, no sooner do I put some down, a bird takes a dump right there. You can see that wetness right there, that moisture right in there. Can you believe that? Still here, butthead? Don't worry. What? You're gonna fall, kitty. Oh, okay. Okay, here. Come up here. Come up here, lay down, okay? Yeah, you lay down. You lay down, okay? I don't want you to fall. Find a spot, lay down, okay? What's the matter with you? Butthead? You're a good kitty, I know. Oh, see? Butthead. Butt hand, that's called. Butt hand. Anyways. So there's a lot of debris I already took up. That's all the debris there. Watch it. Watch where you're going, butthead. Huh? Yeah, I know. What you want? You go lay down, okay? Go to sleepy time. Go lay down over there. Come on. Breeze. Nice breeze. Yeah, you lay down. Here. Here. She finds something. Maybe she found something. Keep her busy. Yeah. Yeah, you go lay down. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I didn't mean to disturb you, buddy. Huh? Biggest worries is that she steps in that black tar. Okay, you lay down now, okay? So I'm going to put tar. You can't go in that, okay? Yeah, aw, you're a little cutie pie. What kind of cat are you? Huh? Yeah. Oh, oh. That's the camera, kitty. That's the camera, butthead. Yeah. Oh. Alright, you go lay down. I just want to explain to her that. No, no, no. I know. You want me to lay down with you. I know. Oh. Okay. What's the matter with you, huh? Yeah, okay, I'll lay down with you. Come on. Come on. What's the matter with you, kitty? What's the matter with you? Everybody want to see my shoes? I got you. Don't worry, kitty. Yeah, you come back up later, okay? Yeah, we come down. Gotcha. Oh, that's all right. Here, you get your food, okay? Okay. You get your food. Yeah. Okay, you got water here too, kitty. Water, okay? On top of it being 100 or over 100, I'm tarring a black roof, and I got a black cat following me around, trying to step in the tar, and I put her down. I went down there with her so she could get water and some food. That's tough right there, guys. And I mean, this is just coming up, guys. I mean, this part will probably be a little bit tricky, but you get under it like that. That's a water canal, and it just pops up, see? Just pops up, guys. Hard, putty type of worms or something in there, bugs rolling around here. Come on, Bugs, get out of here. He's alright. He's alright over there. That ant might get you. I don't know what to do, guys, so I just tar around this. I mean, it's filthy. It's got to be clean. It's got paint on it. It's I don't think it's a good seal. I don't think that's going to be a good seal. Put a tar. Damn, I hate to take this up because I don't want to do all this work. Butthead over there in the woods. Straight out that way. She's shaking and stuff. She went after a rabbit. She didn't get it. She's full. She don't need food, you know? I think they play like that. Okay, guys, I don't know. I kind of see foam down in there, so it's all open. It could be filled, you know, with the... Hold on, I'll get you in there real good. It could be filled with... so it's solid all the way in, actually. It's definitely solid all the way in. It's just all this crap in the way. It's rubber stuff in the way here. The rubber glue that it didn't work, you know. Just pull this off of here. It appears that there was a tar over top of this already, but it looks like they had something else covering that tar. Then they put the black stuff down on top. Whatever this material is right here, that seems to go to here. And I'm not really sure, guys. All this for the dream. That's what it's all for, guys. The dream, you know? It's all gooey, buggy. It's going to be a lot of work. I won't be done with this tonight, guys. If it rains, it rains. But we'll let it dry out. Try to get it cleaned up tonight. And spick and span. That roof over there wants to come up as well. And it's just tough, you know. And we're definitely going to have to put clean it just like I cleaned that down. See that end down there, all the way down the middle. This whole thing has to be down to metal. And then I could go ahead with the tar and the tar. Okay, it's working for the dream, guys. Here it is so far. What's been done. Yeah. Hey guys, smudge this right out. Oh man, that's the problem, you know. You gotta push too. What the hell is in here, guys? Oh, you know what I'm saying? You understand, guys? Oh, guys, I got the new gloves on. They're really nice. I mean, this is way too tight for me. They're not going to last anywhere near they should. I should have got XL. Just did, guys. Can't believe that brand new pair of gloves. Oh, shoot. Well, we'll wear them in now. Okay, things are starting to get messy. My pants. My shoes, my gloves. Shoot, I even stepped in it right here, guys. Starting to get messy. Stepped right there and there. So I really gotta start watching what I'm doing. I mean, there's really tar bits and pieces all over the place. Okay, guys, we are finished with the roof for now. Well, guys, we are done with the roof for now. I'm gonna get a can of that stuff to put on in between the two. For this brown roof here, I want to make it black again, so I'm going to get a can of sealer and seal the whole roof. What I do is put all this black tar in here to fill all the cracks and crevices. We ripped up a whole bunch of aluminum off the center and basically redone the whole thing with tar. Down there is a lot of that old roofing that was on there. Somebody's patch job that was a total failure since day one, most likely. With the silicone gasket maker, you know, I mean, come on. Got the roof all tarred here as well as down there. Hit that big spot and a bunch of little spots, so really came out good, guys. I'm really surprised. Oh, I hear a butthead. I hear a butthead, guys. I hear a butthead. What you doing, butthead? So anyway, guys, for the dream, a lot of work, but it's done. Now we gotta bomb the inside. Butthead, how you doing, buddy? You say hi to the camera? You say hi? Yeah. girl. Okay. It's a good girl, yeah. Okay, buddy. Come on. And thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging around. Later, kitty. Yeah, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, okay. Come on.